Welcome to the 7th Modern Science Workshop for monks and nuns. So I should say for nuns and for monks. So today we have Tenzin from Dongye Gatsal Nunnery. Is this your first time being in here learning science?
Oh no, this is my second time. First, I was in 2019, the Department of Culture and Religion organized.
And what are the teachers teaching here? How many classes do you have?
We have 4 classes. The teachers are teaching us about cells and atom.
And what is the main reason you are studying science? Do you think science is important in our monastic and nunnery life?
Yeah, I think so. Science is very useful in our daily life because this is very teach us hygiene and food and protein and weight, fats and like that. So I should say the monastic lives also have the subject and the lesson of the science because they should know about what they are doing and what they are eating and what should they eat and what about what kind of protein they should to have in the daily routine and like this, yeah.
And learning many new facts.
Yeah, so many facts.
And since you have been learning science,
Yeah.
what similarities you think there is in Buddhism and science?
Okay, similarities in Buddhism and science. As Buddha has mentioned in his text that Sikcheta Vese Shindo Lepratavan like Laurasai Mania. So this is saying that an example that we have a gold and then we have to first we have to cut it and then burn it and then rub it, then you would have pure gold of in your hands. So likewise, words also have to be have first examine and then observe it.
Believe blindly.
And yeah, yeah. So we have to examine and observe and then you follow the words. Yeah. Likewise, the science is also saying that the philosopher, what the philosopher says, is not not the supreme word. We have to put it on your exam. So.
Okay, now last but not the least, you have told us that you have been to higher classes in our earlier conversations. After all these studies, what and who motivated you the most to become a nun?
Yeah, so I am from a very religious family, so my father is motivated me to be a nun because he always shown me a good path of religious path. So yeah, and then the motivation of my life to be a nun is like I won't carry. I just don't like to carry on the worldly life. So I found carrying a worldly life is very not. I'm just fed up of this worldly life, and then yeah, likewise I'll be a nun.
Indeed, you're a very good one.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, now my last question for you is that recently you have met Geshe right?
Yeah.
So what addressing did he give?
Yeah, he's always been a good advisor for me, and I just see him as my teacher. This time he advised us that about meditation. Yeah, you should have put on the meditation on your daily life, and this not only for monk and nun. So you should do this just meditation. But it is good when we are learning some philosophy and then some other things. Yeah, we should examine on it. So we have to go on your mind state of level on that path. So.
Again, this is my own personal question. What are you taking back to your nunnery from this workshop?
Yeah, so many things. So the teachers here are very polite and then they teach us very good. And then monks and nuns fellow are very nice and then they are always rememberable for me. Yeah, they are very nice to me as well.
You are taking a lot of knowledges. I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm
and
sure.
Many new science lessons and yeah.
Those were all brilliant answers.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving us your precious time.
Thank you.
Thank you.